allowing your body to settle, the weight of you to be held by the ground. There is nothing you need to do now, nowhere you need to go. Just be here in presence, resting in stillness. Begin by noticing your breath, noticing the gentle rise and fall of the body as you breathe in and out. And now bring awareness to all of the parts of the body that are connected with the ground. The back of your body is supported, held. Release the shoulders and allow them to drop a little heavier. And clenching your jaw. Bringing awareness to all of the tiny muscles at the back of the eyes that surround your eyes. Release them and let them go. Relaxing the hips, the ankles, and taking a moment to notice if there's anywhere in your body that's still holding on. There is no need to fix that or change that, just noticing. Sometimes the body softens when it feels safe enough. If your mind drifts, that's okay. Gently bring yourself back to presence, to the breath, to the weight of your body resting. Give yourself time to rest here, with nothing to prove, nothing to hold, with a deep sense of value for yourself, exactly as you are at this moment in time. Everything is just how it should be. And as you stay present, tune into the moments and allow them to unfold one after another, enjoying and accepting each moment just as it is, not wanting to change anything at all. And when you're ready, slowly bring in small movements back into the body. Maybe you're wiggling fingers, toes, rotating at the wrists, and taking your time before you blink open your eyes.